Hello, dear kids. Today, we are going to draw a colorful peacock first. Let's draw the peacock's beak. Small and straight. Now, draw its face and a long neck. Wow! Great job! Under the neck, draw an egg-shaped belly. Just like an egg shape. And now, the most special part, the big peacock tail. At the back, make a big fan shape. Amazing! Let's draw one round. Cute eye. And now on the head, 3 little feathers. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Now let's move to the tail design. Draw 3 teardrop shapes on each side. The one inside is small. The outside one is big. Now, let's draw 2 little legs below. Now, trace all the lines with a black marker. Wow! The drawing looks even more beautiful. And now, the best part, let's add colors. Pick up the blue color. Color the peacock's face and belly. Now, take yellow. Fill the tail and feathers on the head. Next, grab the green color. Add green to the tail and feathers too. Now, take orange. Add some orange in the feathers as well. Now it's time for red. Use red for the tail design and the beak. And finally, use pink to make our peacock even more beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. Our colorful peacock is ready. We'll meet again next time with a brand new drawing. Till then, goodbye, dear kids.
Yay!